Welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we talked about the importance of nutrition and exercise in maintaining good health and fitness. Nutrition plays a vital role in our daily lives. It fuels our bodies with the necessary nutrients to function effectively and efficiently. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, optimizing nutrition is crucial for achieving peak performance. In this video, we will explore essential tips for a healthy diet that can help you achieve your fitness goals. Macronutrients are essential nutrients that our bodies need in large quantities, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Balancing your macronutrient intake is crucial for optimal performance. A well-balanced diet should consist of approximately 45 to 65% carbohydrates, 10 to 35% protein, and 20 to 35% fat. To achieve this, focus on consuming a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, protein-rich food, and healthy fats. Nutrient-dense foods provide a high amount of nutrients for the number of calories they contain. Examples of nutrient-dense foods include leafy green vegetables, berries, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods provide a range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help support overall health and fitness. Hydration is essential for maintaining optimal physical performance. Drinking enough water helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients throughout the body. It is recommended to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water per day, and more if you are exercising or living in a hot climate. Protein is crucial for building and repairing muscles, which is essential for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Aim to consume 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day from sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and legumes. Eating the right foods at the right time can have a significant impact on your performance. For example, consuming carbohydrates before exercise can provide fuel for your muscles, while consuming protein after exercise can help repair and build muscle tissue. Aim to eat a meal or snack containing a balance of macronutrients 1 to 2 hours before exercise, and within 30 minutes after exercise. In conclusion, optimizing your nutrition is crucial for achieving peak physical performance. By balancing your macronutrients, consuming nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, eating enough protein, and timing your meals strategically, you can fuel your body with the necessary nutrients to achieve your fitness goals. Remember to always consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.